Hello everyone, today I'm here to introduce our latest product, the 3-in-1 soldering gun, how to operate and use it, and the details of its accessories. First, as you can see, it comes with a USB drive, protective lenses, copper nozzles, cotton swabs, dust-free cotton swabs, dust-free cloth, protective goggles, QBH protective cover, and an additional cleaning focusing lens. We also provide wire feeding tubes and some wire feeding accessories. When cutting, it's important to have sufficient air pressure. Therefore, we need to use the nitrogen pressure gauge. And the air pressure must be at least 0.5 megapascals to perform cutting. If the air pressure is too low, the function we can use is the welding. Turn off the gears, connect the clamp to the soldering gun, and when you press the button, air will blow out. The air pressure must be sufficiently high, set at 0.5 megapascals, but not exceeding 1 megapascal. How do we use the cutting function of this 3-in-1 tool? First, we need to switch to the cutting nozzle and adjust both the scanning speed and scanning width to 0. Then, the power can be slightly reduced. Now you can see that the scanning speed and scanning width are set to 0. A red dot appears, indicating a point. Insert the cutting nozzle and check if the point is in the correct position. It's best to cover it with a layer of cloth or a white paper and see if the red light is in the center of the cutting nozzle. Check if the point is in the center. If it's not in the center and you proceed with the cutting, the laser beam will not hit the expected spot but rather hit the laser nozzle, which can easily result in burning and prevent achieving the expected cutting effect. Now we have adjusted the red light to be in the center of the laser nozzle. Regarding how to adjust the red light, you can refer to the video on adjusting the red light. Now let's start cutting a 1 mm thick plate. Place it gently on top like this, similar to the method used in butt welding. If you want to cut the board straight, you can also use another piece of board as a ruler. Cut now. Cut now. Our 3-in-1 system actually has the same main interface for welding functions as a regular welding machine system. However, we have a switching option in the top right corner. After clicking the switch, you need to power off and restart, and it will switch to the cleaning system. The cleaning system also consists of 4 pages: Home, Process, and Settings. The password for settings is the same as the welding system, which is 12123456. Now let's demonstrate how to switch to the cleaning function and how to use it. We have just set the focus to 150 focal length. First, remove the soldering head, and then it can be used for cleaning. Currently, the scanning width is 3 mm. The scanning frequency is between 0 and 100 Hz. The scanning frequency should not exceed 100. The scanning width is set to a maximum of 20 mm for 150 focal length. Even if you enter 30, it would still work in 20. Press the switch twice to emit light. Now let's replace this 400 focusing lens. Its arrow should be facing downward. Insert the retaining ring and tighten it. Done. As you can see, after replacing the FF40 focusing lens, the focal length has clearly become longer and wider. Now we need to make the switch. The password is 123456. Switch the focus to 400 and save the settings. In the process settings, because the width has increased, we need to set it to 120. The scanning width is 40. The power can be slightly increased. After saving, we have a 40 spot size and 800 power. Now let's demonstrate the rust removal. Ensure the correct focal length and overlap point. Then double press the switch.